a good phone and ring! I got it! A watched phone never boils. Actually, why is that? It has to boil sometime. It can't never boil! Then it'll be the wrong phone. Just take a peek. Sam, keep it together!
Still nothing?
Why am I surprised? Geniuses are usually recognized after death.
Sammy, chin up.
What are you doing?
Drawing for a new episode.
With paint?
Yep. What else?
Sue, my dear baby, let me tell you how YouTube works. This is our wonderful channel.
Uh-huh.
This is our amazing viewer.
Right.
And these are millions of other wonderful channels that are luring our amazing viewer. Question: how to get our amazing viewer to watch our wonderful channel?
How?
Become a purple cow!
Huh?
Be different from other cows. Do something unique.
Oh, I thought you were my purple cow.
That's true. I am the best. But the ideas also need to be unique, and then we'll take over the world! Let's go. I'll show you.
Cool. Oh boy, guys, something is coming. Command, marketing genius. What do you need?
Let me see. Thick drawing paper is here. A brush!
Here.
Water.
Here we go.
And food coloring.
I hope you won't eat a drawing to be unique.
What was that?
Nothing. It's all here.
And a disclaimer before we begin. Dear viewers, I urge you to try this at home.
Maestro? Sam, are you sure about this?
Shh. Now, get some food coloring and drop it little by little.
Whoa! Sammy, you should do drawing workshops.
Exactly. How did I not think of it myself? I know so much. I draw so well. And they won't let me pay for candy with my smile. It's done. I'm doing an art workshop.
Yay! High five! Yeah, okay. We'll work on it.
Nobody called, and it's been a whole day.
Sammy, look! Candy!
Candy, Susan? Life is suffering. Disrecognized. Unwanted genius.
Are you sure the phone number is right?
Of course I'm sure.
Well, show me your ad.
Here.
Huh?
Oh, no, that's not it. This one.
Sammy, no offense, but it looks nothing like a purple cow.
You lost me.
You told me yourself that to be noticed, you need to stand out.
Yeah.
Can you imagine how many people sell drawing lessons? You need a thing. Something that nobody else does.
I can sing during the lessons. I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky.
No, a drawing thing, I think. I have an idea.
Fast, fast! I can't wait to start teaching!
Do you remember how we made fluffy slime?
I'll say the best news of my life.
puffy slime paint will be your thing.
I'm ready!
We'll need fluffy slime ingredients, except borax, white glue, shaving cream, food coloring, and a few bowls for the different colors. First, I'll pour the glue into the bowls, like this.
Guys, I'm wondering, how many times does one need to see a purple cow in order for one to stop wondering? Comment below.
Now, I'll add shaving cream to each bowl. I think I better fill it up to the top, like this. And the same amount here, and…
Ready? Aim! Fire!
Oh, Sam! That's whipped cream!
Sweet Sammy needs sweet paint.
Okay, one color less.
We'll see about that.
The last step is to add food coloring and stir. The color is so intense. Don't overdo it, guys.
And 1, and 2, and a 1, 2, 3! Sugar! Yes, please! It could never be too much for me! I'm right here, 'cause I need little candy, little sympathy! Yeah, you show me good loving, make it alright. Need a lot of sweetness in my life. Sugar! Yes, please! It could never be too much for me!
Almost done here. Just one more color. It looks pretty cool so far, guys. Look at this texture. Guys, what do you think these paints look like? Comment below.
Oh, is that them?
It's them, Sam.
They are so fluffy!
How about we try and improve your ad?
Yes, please!
Guys, if you liked our idea with puffy paint, give a thumbs up. Try to make it yourself. Create puffy paintings and send us some photos.
And subscribe, subscribe, subscribe! My art workshops are free for my amazing viewers.
Also, guys, never be afraid to be a purple cow. Bye-bye!
Just to be safe. Yes, Sam is here. Yes, unique technique. Hold on, I have the other line. Hold on.